Hey, what's going on guys? In this video we are going to see how to calculate the page views for a website, and also we are going to see how can we calculate the interest rate in a bank. Now let's go ahead and see how we can calculate page views for a website. Now in order to do that, first I'm going to introduce an integer. So let's say integer is page views. I'm going to name it as page views. And initially let's set this one to 0. So initially we have 0 page views. Then we are going to have page views that is equal to page views plus 1. So each time whenever somebody look at that page, it's going to increase the view. So we put page views plus 1, we put the increment and then semicolon. So after that we are going to give a printf statement. So let's go ahead and give the printf statement. Let's say printf page views is equal, or we can put like this, %d for integer, then \n for new line, and then after that I put comma page views. Okay, then semicolon. So let's say 3 people are clicking this page. So what's going to be the page view? Now in order to do that, I'm going to just simply copy this one and paste this 3 times. Copy, paste here, and that's it. Let's go ahead and run this one and see what we get. And here you can see page views. When the first user click it, 1, and then 2, then 3. Even though we set it to 0, each time we are incrementing by 1. So that's why starting with 1. So 1, 2, 3. Now this is for page views. Now let's see how we can calculate an interest rate from a bank. Now in order to do that, I'm going to introduce a float type of variable. So let's say float and float balance. I'm naming it as balance, and initially we have, let's say, $1,000. So I want to calculate for 3 years, like what's going to be the interest rate after 3 years. Okay, semicolon, and then let's go ahead and create the equation. Balance multiply times 1.1, or we can put like this, multiply equal 1.1. This is similar to this one, like you can also write this one as balance equal balance times 1.1, and then semicolon. It's the same thing, but this one is much easier. When you put multiplication and equal, that is same as this one. So we don't have to put it like this. Okay, now what I'm gonna just copy this statement, copy and paste it here, and here we are going to put balance, and this one also balance, and this is a float type of variable. If you want to see the float in interest rate in float, you have to put %f, and we are going to copy this one 3 times. Okay, because we are, let's say each time we are copying, like each time is 1 year. So since we are interested in knowing what's going to be the interest rate after 3 years, we are going to copy paste this one 3 times, and that's it. Let's go ahead and run this one and see what we get. Something wrong here. Float balance 1000.00, balance multiplication equal 1.1. Everything seems perfect. Let's see what it's saying. Main I didn't close this bracket. I had to close this bracket every time. Let's run this one right now. Now you can see first year we get 1100 interest, and in the second year we got 1210, and in third year we got 1331. And that's how we can calculate page view for a website, and also this is how we calculate the interest rate using C programming. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.